excited. Look what's in front of us. Come on! Human, bro. How you gonna not fuck with us like that in a Supra? Let's see this little boy with something. You next? The way you're smoking, you're not making it home. Hey!
I cannot ride behind him no more.
Why? What done happened?
There's literally probably liquid oil dripping off the front of my car.
Man, there ain't nothing wrong with that. Just to assure that you got it in the car.
Yeah, but this is the clean one.
Man, that's why we get the exhaust shop for your fucked up car, so.
That's just because it's a drop tizzy. There's consequences that come with having too many females.
I fucking hate this shit, man. Motherfucker, my car. Alright, so the whole reason why Frankie even needed to go to the exhaust shop is because if you guys remember from the VRSF exhaust we put on this car, it didn't really fit because you're not supposed to put them on E93s. So we just wanted to downsize the mid pipe, and they're charging $325, which is kind of crazy. So they won't be able to get them in for another like 2 weeks. So that being said, I got to go to Mason's house tomorrow. So I'll see y'all boys then.
I get the bands, count the blue cheese, I do that shit for fun.
Winner! $5. She hasn't gone nowhere since last video. I grabbed port injection off him. She's all torn apart. Mason's really betting on that lottery ticket in his hand right now.
$5, I told you, man.
So if you want anything off the car, it might be parting it out. We might be rebuilding it back to stock. We'll see what happens on that, but.
If anybody wants it, 25.
25. Starting bid at $25,000. Probably going back to stock, right? If not a part out. Fortunately, that's the news, but maybe it'll turn around if someone wants to throw the kid some parts, like transmission and single turbo, maybe.
Don't think that's happening.
If you want free,
we could still make this. Hold on, man. We still could make this work.
If you fake cry right now, someone might feel bad. Man, just man,
I'm not crying.
Just shed a tear.
I'm not crying.
Okay. Look, we'll promote it. We'll drive it. He'll drive it. That's why he got here, because it's in this position because he drove that bitch like crazy. So. We leave Mason's now. Sad to see the car like that, but for real, if anyone has like stock turbos laying around or anything that they're willing to send Mason, let us know. I mean, I would love to see the car come back. You guys know it's definitely a staple on the channel. Headed back to my house now. We're gonna go ahead and slap in his port injection, so some of his car will live on with my car. All right, so we have port injection, black market, 350cc fuel injectors on this little thing. Yeah, so this is gonna take us to the next level for sure. I look like a news reporter with this mic outfit on. All right, so it shouldn't be too hard of an install. I mean, we did it on Mason's car and it was kind of easy. I just remember we didn't put the fitting on all the way on his, so it just kind of leaked fuel on the first startup, so that's pretty sick. God damn, these bitches are hot. We gotta take this whole entire manifold off, and I hate to say it, but we don't really do too in-depth how-tos anymore on this channel. It's just not the kind of YouTuber I want to be, so. This is random, but RIP Takeoff. That boy had the cleanest mama. You know what I'm saying? No, but genuinely, that's sad as fuck. Middle school days, Migos were the bump for sure in the hallway. All right, I finally got this bitch out of here. It's really hard to see on camera, but as you guys know, there's a really bad problem with N54s having buildup in their intake valves. It's really, really bad. All right, it's the next day. Oh my God. Last night I cleaned this down here as best as possible. It looks like shit. I still need to do walnut blasting like I mentioned earlier. Now the next thing we gotta do is put in these extended studs. So that way the port injection spacer plate will fit on there. All right, so this is all still pre-wired up from Mason's car. Definitely wanna make sure this is pressed all the way down. This fuel line that comes off the rail, we have to tap it into this fuel line right here that comes off the high pressure fuel pump. Now we just gotta use our T and put this bitch in there. Nice. All right, so all the fueling's hooked back up. Now I just gotta slap the manifold back on. As you see, I got the manifold back on there. It's kind of very sleeperish, this port injection kit, because you literally cannot see it under the manifold. Like I said earlier, we went with a split-second AIC controller. So, luckily, literally I do wiring for a living, so that was not hard at all. We got this wired up to the ECU, just literally slides down here, 4 wires. It's really easy, honestly. So we have an E50 blend tune, so I gotta run to the gas station with a gas can and fill up about a 1/4 tank of E85 to put in the car before we can even start it. It's cold! It's corn. All right, so I got 7 gallons of E85. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna need. I have about 8 gallons in the car, and I looked it up on Google. It says 335s have 16 gallons. This is like a super old fuel can, probably super dirty as well, but fuck it, who really cares? How's it going?
Good, how you doing?
Good.
I will say it has been quieter in the mornings, thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. I bought that thing. Interview on what it's like to be Wyatt Webster's neighbor. Ow. Ow. I don't know. Shout out to CD919, always hooking the boys up with tunes. He sent us a full 93 map and then also an E50 blend. So hit up CD919 on Instagram and just tell him Wyatt sent you. And then he'll hook you all up with a price on tuning for all BMWs. So, all right, sweet. It says only 12 minutes, but I'm not sitting in this car the whole time. Ow. All right, so the tune is done now, as you guys just seen. So Chris said that it literally has 2 different maps on the same flash. Dude, the BMW jangle. Hold down the cruise control button. Oh, all right. So shut up to 2. Looks like I can oh, that's so sick. I can flip through maps like that. So that's our 93 map, and that's our E50 blend map. Sounds all right. No fuel leaking. Really need to replace this belt. All right, Lord help me. I believe CD bumped us up to 22 pounds of boost. We were previously on 18. There's a little bit of smoke that just came from the hood. Drake gonna get me through it. That new Drake 21.
All of you hoes need to remember who y'all talking to. It's the Slaughter Gang CEO.
Y'all heard that? All right, let's go perform illegal activities. Check engine light off the rip. Boost deactivation. How about no? How about clear the code? How about that one? You listen to that new Drake song yet?
Huh?
Listen to that new Drake album yet?
Not yet. Good?
Oh yeah.
What, you burn regular gas in that?
Nah, it's on E85 right now.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
How different?
Yeah, a little bit. I want all this SS. I want all of it. Come on! Look, y'all say I don't race enough people. I try all the time. Little snack pulling up right here. Never mind, there's a cop. You gotta act natural. Blend it right in. He would have pulled me over if I was in a BMW. Holy shit. 23 pounds to the dome. Oh my God. That felt crazy. All right, let's tap in. Only one way to do a proper pull. Dress as the opponent so you fit in. That felt really fast. As soon as this tank of gas goes out, I'm going full E85. Oh my Lord, son. Alright, so this girl I used to talk to in high school, her friend hit me up saying that her brothers watch the channel and shit and they're big supporters of it. So literally on the way out, our fucking brake booster line came off. They said that they were at Target and then they were going to Walmart, so we were going to meet them at Walmart. Because I still want to pull up on them for, it's literally his birthday, so we got to pull up on him. Bro.
What do you mean your car broke?
The car is broken. So are they going back to their house?
Are you serious?
Yeah. Why are you talking like that?
I'm texting you, shut up.
That boy smacked. All right, so hopefully we fix the car. I think the brakes are straight now, but we have no headlight. We're pulling up on the boy Aiden. I don't really know what to do. I brought him a t-shirt. That's all I got for him. It's his birthday, so we're gonna go surprise him. What's up? Hold on, let me park this bitch. Had to bring it. Yes, sir.
Happy birthday, man.
Yeah, happy birthday, yo. Let's go.
Good. That's the first time.
Yo, the kid is fitting up. The Uzi. Hey, cool, hit it. Yeah! You going to rip in the car real quick?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. So you got a car yet?
No, I'm only 15.
Only 15?
Yeah.
How long have you been watching the channel for?
Bro, like a few months, but I've really watched every video.
I appreciate that, bro. What's the fastest car you've been in?
My uncle's like Audi or something.
Audi?
Yeah.
You know what kind of Audi it was? He survived. All right, we get out of here. Super cool guy. Happy birthday, that boy Aiden. There was a cop that was definitely just chilling over there, waiting on me. So we just kind of sat around and bullshitted for a second. Yeah, but now he's at Checkers, so we got to dip quick.
Checkers.
Yeah, he's at Checkers.
My balls are inside out. My fucking left.
Niggas hate me, yeah, like it's HD, yeah. I'ma make it clear.